everyone, I'm Victoria Sparks from the Sequoyah Regional Library System, here to show you how to place a title on hold using your library card online. Before you begin, please make sure you have your library card number and the PIN that you've set up for your account. If you need a PIN or your library card has expired, click on Contact Us to speak with a librarian and set up your account. To place a title on hold, go to www.sequoiahregionallibrary.org and click Find a Title on the menu at the top of the page. This will take you to the Sequoyah Regional Library System's online catalog, where you can browse for books, audiobooks, movies, and more. Before you search for a book, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Log In. Type the number located right beneath the barcode on the back of your library card into the first box. Type your 4-digit PIN into the second box, and then click Log In to sign into your account. Now you're ready to search for an item to place on hold. Click on the search bar and type in the title of a book, the name of an author, or the name of a genre you'd like to browse. Then you'll click Search. Your search results will be displayed on the next screen. Use the menu on the left-hand side of the screen to filter your search results by format, author, publication year, and more. Once you've found a title that you'd like to check out, click on it to reveal a brief summary, publication notes, and other information about the title you've selected. Click on the orange button that says Place Hold. If you haven't already logged in with your library card number and PIN, you'll be prompted to do so. When you click Place Hold, a window appears asking you to select your preferred location. Open the drop-down menu, and once you do that, you'll click on the name of the library where you'd like to pick up your item. Next, you can select which copy of the item you'd like to receive. By default, I want the first available copy selected. You can also click I want a specific copy if you want a particular title from a particular library. Finally, click Submit Hold. You will receive a confirmation notice that your hold was placed successfully. You'll be able to be notified by email or text message once your item is available for pickup. If you would like to change any information about your item on hold, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the arrow next to the button that says Log Out. After that, you'll click on Holds to manage your list of helpful titles. Select an item by clicking the checkbox to the right of the title. From here, you can choose to suspend your hold until a later date, reactivate a suspended hold, or cancel your hold. This concludes our guide to placing a title on hold using your library card. Happy browsing!